In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily set any song as a ringtone on an Android smartphone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. And first off, you need to head over to Settings. We can easily do so by typing Settings icon on our home screen. Or if you cannot find that icon, you can just swipe down on any of your home screens. And then to go to Settings, stop at that gear. On Settings, we are looking for Sounds and Vibration here. Near the top, you'll find a ringtone. That's where we can choose from different ringtones. Here I can just select any of them, and it will be immediately set as a car and ringtone. Also, we can select some of these ringtones. However, if you would like to set a custom song as a ringtone, then first off you need to have this song download as a file on your device's internal storage. And once it is done, just stop right here at And plus. Now we just need to search for it. To do that, I recommend you to go to Folders. I know that my song start at Downloads folder, so I'm just gonna enter Downloads folder. And then we can choose these MP3 songs. And then, basically, we just need to hit Add Down to set this song as a ringtone for our Android smartphone. Basically, guys, that's it. Save this video is helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button